Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer your Google Photos data to Drive, Dropbox, Box, or OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your preferred browser on your Windows desktop, whether that's Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Once your browser is up and running, head over to google.com. In the search bar, type My Google Account and hit Enter. From the search results that appear, click on the Personal Info option. This will take you to your Google account information page. Wait a moment while the page loads completely. Once everything is loaded, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here you'll need to click on the Data and Privacy option. This section gives you control over your Google data and how it's managed across different services. Now scroll down through this menu until you reach the Tools section. Under Tools, you'll see an option that says Download Your Data. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. This is Google's Takeout service, which allows you to export and transfer your data to other platforms easily. You'll now be directed to the Google Takeout page. Here you'll see a comprehensive list of all your files and data stored under your Google account. Since we're specifically looking to transfer Google Photos, you'll want to start by clicking the Deselect All button at the top. This ensures you're only exporting the data you actually need rather than everything in your account. Next, scroll down through the list and look for Google Photos. Once you find it, click on the checkbox next to it to select it. This tells Google that you only want to export your photos and videos, nothing else. After selecting Google Photos, scroll down further and click on the Next Step button. This brings you to the Transfer Options page where you can customize how you want to receive your data. On this page, click on the Transfer to drop-down menu. You'll now see various methods for transferring your Google Photos data. The list includes options like email, Drive, Dropbox, Box, and OneDrive. Take a moment to review these options and select the method that works best for you. Each option will transfer your photos to that specific platform, making it easy to access them wherever you prefer. Once you've made your selection from the drop-down menu, click the Create Export button. Google will now begin processing your request and preparing your data for transfer. Depending on the size of your Google Photos library, this process might take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. You'll receive your file or transfer notification based on the method you selected, so keep an eye on your email or chosen platform for updates. And that's it. You've successfully set up a transfer of your Google Photos data to your preferred storage service. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.